But I want to ask you, is it not better from the beginning? She also use her two legs, take waka comot for the situation. Say she know they involve, she no go even see herself for this kind of matter. Come to think of it, DB she don comot tey. You sure say she will never get another good desiring man who will say he go marry her? Man will be say go love and cherish her. We be say sometimes we women we go dey see the red flag of everything, but we no mind, we see the shoe cut for inside because we dey feel say na man be the prize, and whereas you forget say na you na be the prize. Hello my people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name na Sonia aka Gist na Food. For this channel we dey talk about everything and anything gistable, most especially trending matter for social media. If audio clip of Annie, say Two-Face wife, don come outside, we say she dey vex, arrange herself, arrange her verse sef, we say she dey put the verse, be like that of Power Rangers is the verse for film. So she say she go scatter every place, say there Two-Face go, Two-Face dey travel go America, wan go meet the other wife abi the other baby mama for America. Say even Two-Face even drain one of he cousin brother when they call Sammy, planner with one other man like that, planner for her back. Say why be say they do like that? She dey vex, she dey cry, she say say why be say Two-Face go do one, the one we say Two-Face do. So any matter when we say a day like this, once it comes to marriage, once it comes to work, once it comes to educational issue, a good be say make you put ear for ground, make you take learn, because you never can tell you say you go see yourself tomorrow, or you go get pikin wey say you want teach matter tomorrow, or you go get, you no even know whether your sister, your brother, or anybody go there for that similar situation tomorrow. How you want to advise the person, or how you will take navigate yourself through life. And moreover, we know say we always dey hear say they say experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. How many experiences you want get for this life when you take learn? Nobody go fit get all the experiences for this world to be say go fit use to learn something. It good to be say from other people experiences, so make we use am take get sense, and make we use am take know say okay, this thing good like this, okay, this thing not good like this. So our sister don cry come out now. Wetin be the matter when we say I get to talk be say, shey you see what we dey see for social media, couples they post together, they smile together, they post picture together. If you see them for your mind, if you just say, oh, you will say not get husband, or you will be say be single girl, you will be say they pass through challenges for your own house. If you see that kind of pictures, the things you say will call your mind be say, oh, see as this girl now just they enjoy with your husband, oh, see as this girl just they smile with the husband, oh, you no know wetin the two couples they wear, wetin the pains where they bear for inside the shoes, you see they wear, take snap that picture. Unto say you go see celebrities, or you go see people who say they admire, say they be husband and wife, they go there for social media, they post different pictures up and down. You they get sleepless night, they get hatred, say, hey oh God, why be saying this kind of person? Now two way this person get, why be say me I not get man, or my man be like this? Never you use another person's situation take compare your own situation for this life. So make we assume now say this particular woman now say they call Annie, so come outside, so begin they cry like this, which is grown-up person. Grown-up person will be say she open her two eyes koro to enter into marriage. Will be say you know, see the man he get children with other women, not be bad thing. Maybe her mind, her instincts, her body tell her say this man, so we say he want marry, so maybe he get, you see they get affairs with the other women who be say he born children for am, but she look at those things based on say maybe he don't think be say the man take start life, he don't take, maybe he invest for the man, and he make him say the man blow. I can remember those days when be say she even married, when be say she married this Two-Face, so all the Nigerians they clap her for her. Imagine say this girl they get this kind of challenges for her husband house. Can you imagine the kind of challenges when be say person like Regina Daniel go they get from your husband house too? To tell you say all that glitters are not gold. For relationship or for marriage, my dear, my sister, mind how you take dey control your anger. Mind the way you take dey control your anger. People get anger issue. I know she don't bear tired. Since 10 years, when we say she take marry this Two-Face, so say na hell na she dey for the relationship, abi for the marriage. Say the Two-Face family, so say they don't want let her drink water, put cup for ground. If man they misbehave for house, the first person who be say you will need to go meet, person who be say the man they respect. It can be man of God, it can be maybe uncle, it can be family members, it can be mama, it can be brother, it can be sister. Situation whereby they don't love you, who you want go report the man misbehavior give? if you get issue for your relationship, beware. Open your eyes. Know the person wey you wan report your relationship issue give. You know why I talk am be say, no be all friends be friend o. Sometimes sef, if matter don pass, be careful. No be even all family members be good family sef. Some people, how many people dey pray for your downfall, because sometimes I say you marry big man abi, and then you only want dey enjoy, only you want get the light wey be say dey shine now. So how come you want me say it take better for you, when me say never better for me? You know, many people, be careful. Na person na send this voice record go, so it can be maybe for WhatsApp, it can be maybe say he call the person, he leave voice record give the person. So you don't know. Sometimes it can be say that friend wey say you get, or that family member wey say you get, na genuine person, but you don't know who the person best friend be, because for any best friend wey say you get, my darling, listen, that your best friend get another best friend. Be careful. You don't know the person wey be say as you dey call, dey tell, say you dey express your anger, you dey express your frustration, you dey express your annoyance and everything. You dey expect am give that person. You don't know. Sometimes sef, you can even be seen a face-to-face friend o. Not be maybe you carry phone take call the person. You don't know whether the person press record button, dey record everything and anything be say you wan talk. My dear, be careful. And if you get issue for your marriage house, my darling, throw away social media. Throw away social media. Social media won't be the place when we say you want settle matter, because that Nigeria these days, no, social media can't be like social media law of justice. If your husband carry your pikin wrong, carry am come social media come report. If your wife maybe your wife go marry another person, carry am come social media come discuss. If anybody anything and everything happen to you, na social media come dey discuss the matter, because police station not be police again. Because now who get money, they fit defend themselves for police station. And the so-called social media, when you see carry matter come now, you'll see this one go talking you. Hey, this woman too wicked though. Hey, this one say this one they vex like this. So hey, can be say who can't know what to be say the man they bear for the house, who make can be say the man they wrong. The same time, some people go see they talk again, say hey, this man say you too much. Upon say this man follow you do this. Upon say the woman follow you do that. Everybody get your opinion for social media. By the time we say you go listen to this one, you go listen to this one, all of them they dream what they make can be say marriage no go be married again. For according to our message, according to our voice record, she say and this when they break, saying your husband they peacefully for house, saying your husband say want go do shooting. My dear, husband when we say he see you, say you begin carry matter, family affair, go social media, go discuss. You sure say that husband, everything go deal well with that husband. Even if that husband, even if now you and that husband, they carry they sleep the same bed. So tell yourself, if you even serve that kind of husband food, say eat food, don't be say I cook for you, my darling. If you're not gonna let the husband eat them, because the husband will feel say just the way you take get that bitter heart for outside. So can be saying like that bitter heart. So you put on top of your, you put something like a poisonous poison. Put for the food. Don't be say you want serve them. Sometimes say it can be say maybe the husband understand you. Say you kind of person be say if they verse, if you verse the matter finish, once you don't express your heart, say the matter don't come up for your mind. If they feel me so, but based on say the matter don't enter social media, or you don't go to report to this one, report to family member A, report to friend B, report to Z, you go report to M, you go report to O, Q, K, W. Everybody, some of them, not be all. Sometimes some people say you go report so that they come become poison. They'll come begin give that your husband poisonous thoughts to take us, say they will begin poison heart towards you, because not be everybody won't be say you give you shoulder, me you take cry on. Not be everybody love you. Not be everybody won't be say you give you listening ears. Say explain your situation, give me, not be say that person gets your genuine heart. Say that person get your genuine intention for your heart. Many people now they talk say polygamous home. The days of our forefathers, they say they married 20 wives. The days of our forefathers, they say they married 60 wives. All these days polygamy and modern days polygamy not be the same. Anyway, if na your very first time to come across my channel be this, make you not forget to subscribe and make you turn on that post notification bell so that anytime when I tell upload new video, now you go be the very first person to know say yes, say I don't upload new video again. And anything we see you see for this matter, anything we see you want comment, put me, you not forget to leave them for the comment section below. Until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.